Boom. Pittsburgh Pirates tryout this weekend, and I haven't practiced yet, so we are at the batting cages, about to show some people off.
Oh my! Why are these men? If you're gonna get in a motherfucking head. Oh my god!
This pitcher won. Brock, how'd I do?
At least 17 Grand Slams and 18 over.
You think I'd be good with the Pirates?
Pirates?
You want me to dance?
Yeah, go.
Okay. Walk on, peace out.
Dude. Sunday for this. So why do we always go to Del Grosso's?
For the fireworks and the popcorn.
Del Grosso always has the most lit fireworks. Just got home. That's why we always go to Del Grosso Amusement Park. They have the best fireworks around. That wraps up tonight. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good morning. What's up, everyone? We are eating breakfast right now. Well, if you call it breakfast, I found some Chinese in the refrigerator from probably 4 days ago, but we do what we gotta do. Once again, another package came in the mail. Not real sure what this one is. I like to order something every couple days. Once you order something every day, you forget what you even ordered. Then when it comes in the mail, you're like, oh, I forgot I even ordered that. This one, I'll open this one later. Don't look that exciting. Never mind, I changed my mind. I'm opening this. Hey, at least they spelled my name right. That's a plus. Now, let's see what's inside. I don't recall ordering anything this small, but that's my address. Ain't leaking that. Oh. Okay. And looks like credit card. I believe I ordered that like 2 weeks ago. You're late. I'm not using it now. We have to run a few places right now. We got to go pick up my rent check, and we got to install this light switch. Whoa! This switch right here is the one I got to replace. I had to turn the breaker off, guys. Safety first. I'm not trying to blow myself up today. And it's fixed. Got the rent, installed the switch, and it's hot as hell out here. We're going home. Sorry guys, I know this vlog's pretty jumbled today. Next vlog will be better, I promise. If you guys are not a part of the fam yet, hit that subscribe button. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and I gotta get ready to go somewhere, so peace.